Hey guys, how to create a simple Telegram bot using Python. It's pretty simple, let's go. First we need to get a token with bot folder, go to the Telegram, find bot folder, get the token, copy it and paste it here in our code. Next let's create a bot. We haven't a bot function because we need to install Telegram library, go to the terminal and write pip install AIOgram. Then from AIOgram import all, and we have a bot method. Next let's add our token. Token is token constant. Next let's create a dispatcher to manage our bot. Dispatcher bot. Okay, let's create a start command for our bot. For this use add dispatcher dot message handler comments equals start. Next let's create a message for this command. AIOgram is a async library and we will use async function. It's a start command, begin, and message is types dot message. What else? Then await, then bot dot send message, then message dot chat dot id, and next create the message, for example, hi, I'm Alan. To run our bot we need to add executor dot start polling with dispatcher. Let's check, run it, go to Telegram, and in bot folder chat we see a link to our Telegram bot. Click on it and then start our bot. Right, start, and we see our greeting. It works perfectly. Move on. Then we can add an answer, for example, when we say hello. Let's make it. For this, copy this code. Instead comments, write content types. Instead start, write text, and it will be a text function. Then write if message dot text dot lower is hello, then await bot send message chat id, and let's write another answer. For example, glad to see you, man. Let's add a column, transfer await row. Let's run again, rerun, go to our bot and write hello, enter, and we see our new greeting. That's good. Move on. Next we can add the reply. Please copy these rows, copy this code, and for example when we write bye, it will be a reply, message dot reply with text. We needn't message chat id. For example, wait bro, we didn't even ride a Tesla. Let's check. We run the bot, go to the Telegram and write bye. Enter. We receive a reply to our message. Move on. Let's make a button to allow a user to select an answer. For example, this button will be with start command. For this, write markup equals inline keyboard markup. But we haven't this function because we need to add from types dot AIOgram import all. Let's try again. Inline keyboard. I have a mistake. We need to import AIOgram dot types and then write inline keyboard markup. Okay. Next let's create a button. Button equals inline keyboard button. Button have a text, for example, connect to Starlink, and call back data with button tag. And let's add our button markup dot add button. Let's run our application, rerun, open our bot, write start command, enter, and we haven't our button. What's the reason? We need to add our markup with button to our chat. For this, write reply markup equals markup. Let's try again, rerun, open Telegram bot, start command, and we have our button. Click to our button and nothing happens, because we need to add the action on button click. Move on. After our start command, write dispatcher dot callback query handler, then write lambda c dot data is button in quotation marks. Then let's create a function, async def button reaction, for example, then call types dot callback query. Next, await bot answer callback query call dot id. And finally await, let's delete the space, await bot dot send message call message dot chat dot id, and our text, for example, you have successfully connected to Starlink. Okay, and let's check our code. We run the application, we run, go to Telegram, run start command, click on the button, and we have the reply. It's good. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you.